Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am Anna Maria and you are watching Miracle Orchids, the place you can learn everything there is to know about growing orchids. In today's video we are going to unbox a new order from Floreria Secret Garden, or from the Secret Garden, and then we are going to talk about their state, if I think they have any issues, and then I will tell you how I will care for them. And remember, if you want more tutorials like this 7 days a week, go ahead and click that subscribe button over here so you know when I upload something new. The first orchid. This was actually made on the last order, but I have forgotten to add it to the card, and they kept it for this time. She is very gorgeous. This is an oncidium type, a cambria, and it is in 2 pots. I see the pseudobulbs are quite plump, and I see some new growths, green roots on top, so come on. It's rather, see, and it has quite a few roots which are alive and stiff. She looks really nice. Really like this one. I also got this type of plant. I will just keep it like this because I want to take a closer look to see if she has pests or not, and also I want to keep her separated because garden plants are more likely to have pests, but she's in very good condition, looking very pretty. I got a Miltonia orchid, and I took her because of her colors. She has a maroonish color with a bit of yellow and green on the sepals and petals, and the lip is quite purple, so I liked that. It's not fragrant at the moment, at least, and she's in good condition. Has a new growth here, 2 pseudobulbs which are quite plump in here, another new growth, 2 back bulbs, so she looks healthy. Let's see if I can do this without a mess. She also seems to have a lot of fruits. She is only a bit dehydrated, which means I need to water her very soon. And here we have a sort of a brassia hybrid, very beautiful one. It's similar to the Shallop Tolkien, but I think it's actually more beautiful. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 spikes, and the orchid itself is super healthy. Look at those pseudobulbs. Now, for now it's not fragrant, but I think she might be, because many brassias are healthy. Look at those blooms. Here is the last orchid. I got a gorgeous Psychopsis orchid. Unfortunately, this one did not arrive in very good condition. The bloom is about to fade, but what do you know, this is a sequential bloomer, so we have another bud. As for the orchid herself, she is very healthy. We can see how many roots we have, even though those are papery. These are most probably dead all, but this means that she has also a great root system inside. I like that she is basically a specimen, and I like, usually I don't like these orchids because the spike is very tall, but on my particular orchid the spike is actually small. So we can see this is how tall the spike is, not very much. So that would mean it is easier to accommodate. I also like a lot the shape of the leaves and the pattern. This is a gorgeous orchid, and unfortunately they managed to broke a new growth on transport, but I will forgive them this time. This is happening. They are very fragile and very easy to snap. But I have a lot more new growth. So I have a new growth here. I have a second new growth here, a third one here, and I saw somewhere a smaller one. But anyway, she looks very good. She looks very healthy. She seems to be potted in bark, which is not my preferred medium for these orchids, but we will see. This should receive sort of like oncidium care, but they will like a lot of air to the roots, so I will go and put her in semi-hydro. And she doesn't seem to have a lot of alive roots inside the pot, or at least not many of them, but we are going to see when we will repot her for real. This orchid can be already repotted because she is in active growth. She is producing new roots, and I see that, for example, try to take a bit the sheets from here. The new growth, this one, the little one, already started to produce a root, which got damaged because it's a very acidic medium, so she can be repotted already. So here are the orchids that I got and plants. They are very healthy. Most of them can be repotted immediately, except this one. This one doesn't yet have a new growth, so I will wait a bit more. As for the orchids themselves, they seem very healthy, except this one. This one has a bad root system inside, but it's so big that I can easily put her right now in some moss, and she will start to produce new roots any time. I really like how healthy she is, how many leaves and pseudobulbs she has, new growth, and she is going to produce a new bud. This one, again, huge orchid specimen already. This one is a bit smaller, but that is okay. I didn't pay a lot of money on it, and look at that pattern. She is very healthy. She is going to, actually all the orchids are going to get potted in semi-hydro, except the Psychopsis. At least for now she will get into moss. Or I will see. I am still going to think about that. The Miltonia and cambria and brassia will receive about 20 to 25 Celsius. Moderate light, bright but not direct one. This one as well, and yeah, at least for now they are going to receive a lot of calcium, because I'm sure they have a bit of deficiency. That is happening usually with all new orchids, and that will also help them adjust faster to my environment. And yeah, other than that, I'm going to perform a pest treatment just for prevention, because I don't want to spread any diseases in my collection, because my collection right now is pest free, so I will keep it like that by doing a preventive treatment on this, although I don't see right now any signs of pests or diseases on them. They look very healthy. So alright guys, this has been the video for today, and if you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!